The yield is up 20% compared to this time last year.
And the quality looks excellent.
This one is too soft. Discard it. Okay, I will check the next batch.
Did you scan crate 42B yet?
Yes, the manifest is updated. We're ready for the next lift.
Okay, keep it coming back slowly.
Watch your left side.
Get that forklift moving.
The viscosity is increasing slightly faster than projected.
Yes, but the temperature curve is exactly where we want it. The color saturation is perfect.
Check the pressure on the main line. It seems a little high. Yeah.
It's within tolerance. The automated feed is stable. Check the pressure on line 3. It dipped slightly.
Looks stable now. The UV levels are nominal.
The alignment on batch 34 is perfect.
Confirmed. Print quality is sharp and legible.
Did you clear the last shipment? Yes, heading to Zone 4 now.
All right, clear the way. Have a safe trip. See you next week.
We need this ketchup unloaded now.
Forklift's almost ready. Make sure it's scanned before it goes up. Attention customers, please note the change in our condiment aisle. All glass bottles are now located on the upper shelves.
From the freshest tomatoes to your family table, experience the rich taste of our new ketchup.
Hand-picked and perfected, our state-of-the-art facility combines fresh ingredients with expert care, bringing you the taste of premium quality. From harvesting to the final bottle, our modern ketchup factory complex utilizes advanced technology and skilled workers.